Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to be doing an intermediate advanced spin combo, and the first move that we're really focusing on is the dangerous bird spin. It's also known as the falling Q spin, reverse or backwards kamikaze, or reverse or backwards suicide spin. All right, you want to make sure that you can pivot on your outside foot. You could either be barefoot, in socks, in heels, and then hook that inside knee. Do not grab your heel or your foot. You could really hurt your knee and your ankle. Grab somewhere on your shin above your ankle joint, and then you want to practice pivoting on that foot and finding that balance. Yes, the pole is on spin, but you want to make sure that you aren't just gonna fall into it. It should be slow and controlled. So here in slow motion, my foot pivots so that I can lean down, keeping my top arm straight. Keep that bottom arm straight too, so that you can push into the pole. And then once you're spinning, you don't want to push your hips forward too much. It's actually better if you have your legs slightly forward. Here I'm bending my knee so I can sit on the pole. Then you have more points of contact on the pole, and it doesn't feel like everything is holding in that top knee. Now the next part, to go into the Russian Layback Variation, you want to grab the pole, think like a shoulder mount grip in that V grip with the hand. And then to sit up, I swoop my leg back and down, and that momentum helps me sit up, momentum and leverage. And then you want to pull up with your arms and swoop both legs to the other side of the pole. That momentum will also help you invert. Outside leg hang, and from here, you're inverted. You don't have to do this combo. You can make up your own. You could go into a butterfly, go into a Jade Split, and go into a whole bunch of different things. This is my favorite combo to do on spin, to get into my Jade Split, or even going into like Pegasus, all sorts of stuff. I hope you have fun and enjoy this combo and try it on both sides. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.